Hi everyone, welcome to Chess Analysis channel. In today's video, we are going to see about pawn races in chess in games. Let's look at this example. The pawn on a2 is a passed pawn and the pawn on h7 is also a passed pawn. If it is white to move, white wins here, and if it is black to move, black wins here. Let me show you how. Pawn to a4, h5, a5, h4, a6, h3, a7, h2, a8 queens, and the queen stops the pawn on h2 from queening. Similarly, the same happens when it is black to move. Let's look at another example. In this position, it is white to play and win. Here, white plays pawn to b4. Similarly, black pushes his passed pawn f5, b5, f4, b6, f3, b7, f2, b8 queens, f1 queens, and white forces queen trade by playing queen b5 check, queen into b5, king into b5, and the same position like before occurs with the pawn on a2 is faster than the pawn on h7, king g6, now pawn to a4, and now here white wins. Let's look at another example. In this position, it is white to play and draw. Note that even though white has two pawns whereas black has only one, white is forced to play for a draw because black has an active king on h3. The only move for white that draws is king to d5. Let me explain later why this only move leads to a draw. Here, black plays this beautiful move king to g2, not taking the pawn on h2, because if black plays something like king into h2, white plays king to e4. Notice that the squares e3 and g2 are mined squares. If you don't know about it, press the I button above and check it out. Now here black is forced to play king g2, now king e3, and now suddenly white who wins this position. Hence here black plays king to g2, here white plays pawn to h4. Now there is a race between the black pawn on f3 and the pawn on h4. Black plays king into f2, pawn to h5, king g2, h6, f2, h7, f1 queens, h8 queens, and this position is a draw. Let me explain why other moves are losing for white. Let's analyze king e5. Black simply plays king g2, same as before, pawn to h4, king into f2, h5, king g2, h6, f2, h7, f1 queens, h8 queens. Here there is a tactical blow for black. Feel free to pause the video and try to find the answer. The move is queen a1 check, winning the queen on h8. Let's look at other possibilities for white. If white plays something like king f5, same as before, king g2, pawn to h4, king into f2, h5, king g2, h6, f2, h7, f1 queens, the black queens with check. This position is completely winning for black. Let me show you how. King g6, queen f8, stopping the pawn from promoting. Let's say king h5, queen g7, and this position is completely winning for black. Same applies for king f6. The pawn on f3 promotes with check. King d6 should be a terrible move because black can simply take the pawn on h2. Sorry, king e5, king g2, king e4, king into f2, and this position is completely winning for black. Let's look at one more example. In this position, it is white to play and win. Here, if you play something like pawn to f4, let's look at the square rule. Black can get into the square of the pawn by playing king b5, and this position results in a draw. f5, king c6, f6, king d7, king c4, king e6, and this position is a draw. Therefore, here white should apply the concept of soldering. If you don't know about the concept of soldering, I request you to check out my previous video on soldering. Here white plays this stunning move king to d4, opposing the black king from reaching to c6, d7 and then e7. Here if black plays something like king to b5, white can play king d5, kicking the black king away from the square c6. Hence here black's only option is to play pawn to b5, pawn to f4, b4, pawn to f5, pawn to b3, and here if you play something like f6, this results in a draw because black can play b2, f7, b1 queens and f8 queens, and this position is a draw. Here white plays this stunning move king to c3. Idea being if pawn to b2, king into b2 is just winning for white. Hence here black is forced to play king a3. Notice that the queening square hits the king on a3. Pawn to f6, pawn to b2, f7, b1 queens, f8 queens with check. If king a2, queen a8 is just checkmate. The white king covers the important squares. Similarly, if king a4, queen a8 check, black has only one move, king b5, queen b8 check, skewering the black king, king c5, queen into b1 is just winning for white. That's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed my video. If you wanna see more chess videos like this, do subscribe Chess Analysis and click on the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.